Hi guys, come to service this boiler today. It's a Veissman boiler, and let's see how this one goes. Right, first thing we gotta do is take the cover off, and the cover's quite simple if you know what you're doing. Just 2 clips at the bottom and 1 screw at the top. I like these Veissman boilers. They're very well built, quality parts. And the most important thing is when they break down, they're easy to repair and very accessible. So as a service and repair engineer, this is one of the things I look at. Guys, if you need your boiler serviced, or if it breaks down and you need it repaired and you need a professional, give us a call. Okay, professional. Okay, we'll do our best, but we're good at repairing, and so we cover Birmingham area. We do all the major boilers: Veissman, Baxi, Vaillant, Worcester, Vaquera, Glowworm. So if any of your boiler breaks down, just give us a call. We do domestic or commercial. Right, we're taking the burner out, and this is what the heat exchanger looks like. I don't think this one's been serviced for a very long time. And the burner, it looks fine. I don't like the gap between the sparkies, but they'll do for now. And this is all the debris that's come out of the combustion chamber. And this is what it looks like after a good thorough clean. Right, that's the magnet filter, and I don't think that's been cleaned for a couple of years. Oh man, this is when things get messy. Man, I'm a lazy bugger. I could have easily gone to the car and got some latex gloves, but no, I thought I'd just carry on, clean it. Oh man, that was messy, that was. But I do clean the basin for the good old lady. Okay, the pressure is on 0.8. I personally like it on 1.1. But 0.8 is fine as well. But this is how you pressurize the system if your pressure does go down. So just open it up slightly and let the water go through, and just look for a flexible pipe like that. Sometimes they got one lever and sometimes they got two levers on each side of the pipe. So once it gets to 1.1, just close it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Till we make the next video, please keep smiling. Thank you. And this is all we can find now.